Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to sell Floki Inu on Coinbase Wallet. In order to sell the Floki Inu token on your Coinbase Wallet, head to the browser icon at the bottom of the browser icon, and once you've opened up your browser, log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Now, this is the Floki Inu token we wish to sell. Make sure you copy its Ethereum address. And once it's copied, minimize and open up your Coinbase wallet. Now, with the Coinbase wallet opened up, please take note that this token is an Ethereum token. So in order to sell the token, you're going to need to have some Ethereum. Now, if you wish to buy the Ethereum, click on the buy icon at the top left. Once you've clicked on this, you'll be met with the network you wish to buy and the service provider being Alchemy Pay. You could continue to payments, but make sure you enter an amount that is suitable to you. So once you click on continue to payments, you'll be redirected to Alchemy Pay, where you could click on continue, and the service provider would then take care of your needs by providing you with an access or the options to buy the tokens you wish and at a suitable price. Now, once you've gotten yourself some Ethereum there, another option is you could simply click on the bridge icon and simply bridge your Ethereum tokens on different networks into Ethereum tokens on separate networks. Like you could bridge from the Ethereum on the Base network to mainnet, and you could bridge from mainnet back to Base. Another option of getting yourself some Ethereum tokens is via the receive icon. So if you click on the receive icon, you could simply receive your Ethereum through your Ethereum address here, or you could receive via your QR code when scanned. So guys, simply head to the browser icon after this. Once you've gotten your Ethereum, head to the browser icon and click on Uniswap. That is the exchange we're going to be swapping with. It's a decentralized exchange. So click on Uniswap. Once Uniswap has opened up, the connect icon at the top right, click on connect wallet and make sure your wallet is connected. Once your wallet has been connected, where we have the select token, click on select token, click on Floki Inu, click on continue, switch up their places, and for 800,000 Floki Inu tokens, you're getting 172 Ethereum, $172 worth of Ethereum, and you're paying gas fee of $22. So guys, simply click on the swap option that will be provided and simply go through with it and swap your tokens. And then you'd find the swapped Ethereum in the assets menu when you perform a simple reload. Or you could confirm its arrival through the transactions menu as well. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.